Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to make Sharpen HDR lens filter in Lens Studio. So let's start it. Before starting it, I wanna tell you, if you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, do join it and support my channel and get free presets and LUTs and many more stuffs. Now let's begin the tutorial. So at first, bring the effect Alt Sharpen file, go to left hand side, you will see plus sign, click on it. After bringing it the file, go to object panel, you will see plus option, click on it and choose screen image, and then go to stretch mode, turn it to stretch and then beside material, click on it, select that alt effect. Wow, that's all, your Sharpen HDR effect lens filter is ready. Now if you want to increase and decrease the amount of sharpen, you can just click on the alt effect, and on the graph parameters, you will see sharpen amount. Just put the value you like. Right now, I am keeping it 4:30. Our filter is ready. Now you upload it on your Snapchat and use it with your friends. I already uploaded it. You can try this effect. Link is given in the description box. And yes, if you want this alt effect file, please read the description carefully. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorial. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye. Happy editing.